this is what it's feeling like. So we're already beginning to see wind chills dropping down into the single digits. It feels like 6 degrees now in Aurora. Same thing in Morris. Feels like 3 in DeKalb, 7 in Woodstock, 10 at O'Hare. Same thing in Gary. 12 degrees is what it's feeling like in Merrillville. So notice we are a little bit warmer for the current moment in Northwest Indiana, but it's just going to take another hour or two for you to catch up to the rest of us. And all of us are going to be heading down into the sub-zero range in just a few hours. So futurecast wind chills here, setting these in motion, taking us throughout this evening. Notice as we go into daybreak tomorrow, it is going to be feeling like 10 to 20 degrees below zero because we're going to have actual air temperatures that are dropping down to the low to mid single digits, and it's still going to be very gusty. So we're counting on wind gusts tonight, 25 to 30 miles per hour. So that's going to hold those wind chill values 10 to 20 degrees below zero early on tomorrow. And then by midday, notice there's a lot of us that are still dealing with sub-zero wind chills even in the middle of the day on Thursday, and then during the afternoon we're going to be warming up into the single digits when it comes to our wind chills. Actual air temperatures on Thursday are expected to be in the mid-teens. So let's take a look at the radar. We've also been tracking brief, heavier bursts of snow moving through. The worst of it is now working its way further off toward the east over into Michigan and portions of northern Indiana, but northwest Indiana now drying out. There's going to be a couple flurries though here and there throughout the evening hours, and then we're going to begin to clear out the cloud cover, and that's why our temperatures are going to get so cold tonight. Once you lose that cloud cover, it kind of acts as a blanket to hold in what heat we do have. So we're losing that tonight. So then a lot of that heat's going to escape. Temperatures are going to plummet. So futurecast taking us throughout this evening and tonight. We're counting on clearing conditions. Temperatures will be in the low to mid single digits when we wake up tomorrow morning. Wind chill temperatures 10 to 20 degrees below zero. And then taking us through the day, we're going to see increasing cloud cover, especially from Chicago and points southward, because there's going to be a brief little system that's trying to skate by, but it's not really going to be impacting us all that much. But there is going to be a snow chance south of the Chicagoland area tomorrow. And then taking us into our day on Friday, we have high pressure building in, wind direction. That's going to be changing. So it's bringing in some warmer air. Notice those southerly winds begin to flow during the afternoon and evening, and that's going to push temperatures to right around 30 degrees for your high by the end of this work week. Tonight, 3 degrees for the overnight low, but wind chills 10 to 20 degrees below zero. Tomorrow's high is 16. We're going to be partly cloudy on Thursday. On Friday, we're mostly cloudy with a high of 30. Then going into Saturday, we have a good chance of rain, 40 degrees for your high, a brief shower Sunday morning. After that, we'll dry things out briefly before another system arrives on Monday. Keep it here. We have more local news coming up.